Hi there, Doug Prexta with Hinkley Landscape Lighting. Today I'm going to walk you through a pathway light install. We're going to put in 7 of the Carson pathway lights you see here. Each Carson pathway light comes with a composite ground spike and a connection kit. I'm going to show you how to make a foolproof connection using this kit, which includes 2 red wire nuts and a tube of silicone. Let's go take a look. Okay, I went ahead and put some flags out to mark the location of the pathway lights. It's really not necessary on this job because it's small. You know, like I said, only 7 pathways, but on larger jobs, it's good to use the flags, especially if you're working with a crew, to lay out the location and mark for pathways or spotlights. Okay, I went ahead and placed the fixtures and ran the trunk line or the 12 gauge cable from the transformer. You can see each fixture has about 48 inches of wire. So that'll allow you to move it around at night if you want to move it 6, 8, 10, 12 inches, whatever you want to do according to the landscape here. But it's one continuous main run of 12 gauge cable from the transformer to each of the fixtures, all 7 of them here. And it'll end at the last fixture. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a good connection here. This is a really important part of your landscape install. If you don't have a good connection, you'll have troubles right out of the gate, or years down the road here. I've been doing this a long time and have made hundreds and hundreds of connections, and I use an old-fashioned wire nut with silicone and have never had trouble with any one of my connections. So basically, this is your trunk line, your 12 gauge cable. And remember, we recommend 12 gauge cable when you're doing your landscape install. It's heavier, it's going to give you that added durability versus a 14 or 16 gauge cable. So I definitely recommend 12 gauge cable. Go ahead and just cut your trunk line here. Split the wire. Basically, we're going to put it right back together along with the fixture. I like to strip it at least 1 inch. It's nice to have a good pair of wire strippers as well. Makes the job real easy, especially if you're doing a lot of landscape installs. Go ahead and put the trunk line or your main run from the transformer back together. Add your fixture wire. Doesn't matter which side or which wire from the fixture. Go ahead and twist it a little bit. Got your wire nuts here with silicone already added. Just twist them on. Make sure all the copper wire gets covered with the silicone, nice and tight. And then we'll take some electrical tape and wrap it up. Plenty of electrical tape here. Do the same thing on the other side. 12 gauge cable back together. Add our fixture wire. Plenty of electrical tape here. Then what I like to do is wrap them both together. Gives you a little bit more strain relief when you're moving those fixtures around for that last minute adjustment. That's all that's to it. You've got a great fixture that'll last for years and years. Okay, I went ahead and made connections to the other 6 fixtures and buried the low voltage cable. Remember, your low voltage cable needs to go at least 6 inches below grade. The easiest way to do this is with a flat spade. Okay, it's dusk now and the lights have just come on and everything looks great. Waiting for it to get dark. Looks great.